how to make Coinbase account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is, of course, download the Coinbase app. You can download that through Play Store or App Store, so it doesn't matter. So once you've downloaded that, the next thing that we need to do is to click open. And then once you've opened that, you will be redirected in this part. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click get started. And then once you're now here, you can just continue with your email. So all you have to do is to put your email right here. So let's say, for example, that this is your email. So let's do that. Click continue. And then put the code that has been sent in your Gmail. And then after that, you will now be able to create your password. So just put your password right here. And then once you're now done, click continue. And then put your first name. And then of course your last name. And then once you're now done, just click continue. And then of course verify your phone number. So you can change the country code right here. So if you're living in the United States, just search for United States. And then you should be able to use that. So just click this and then just type your United States number. So let's say, for example, that this is your number right here. And then after that, just click continue. And then, of course, they will send an OTP so they can verify that you own that number. And then once you've been verified, you can now create Coinbase account. And that is basically it. So once again, that is how to make Coinbase account.